bazalwane ngizweni la ukuthi there can never be a time where people who are silent can be quoted for anything. You can't be quoted for saying anything if you are silent. Yabo, if you don't understand, ngisho ingane yakho encane mayibuza ukuthi yini oyaziyo kodwa ngomamncane wakho. There's nothing you represented. There's nothing you taught them. There's nothing you said about Christ. Therefore, no generation can quote you. That is a sign of not being influential, because you are a person who's silent. You are a person who's without a voice. Ayikho into okuyifundisa nje ingane yakho encane uthi lalela ke kukanjena indlela yokukholwa ihambe kanjani. That is why I say to you, you cannot be silent. Yabo, you cannot be silent to your own body. You cannot be silent to your own generation, because if you are silent, you are regarded as a person who is without influence. So nje kuthiwa sesifunda lapha emngcwabeni wakuthiwa wenzani? Hayi waphila man, hey waphila kwasekwenzekalani? Nothing else can be said. Waphila wangaziwa wenza. Yabo, why all over? Why all over? Chinta lokhe. There's nothing he built. Nangaza bazalwane. Sasingazi noma iyasonta noma inyanga, sasingazi nje kodwa asazi noma awukho okuningi esingakusho, because you were silent. There's nothing you stood for. This is the importance of standing for something when you are a person who is building something that is generational. Because when you are building generational things, you must have a say, you must have a stand. If you don't have a stand, no one will quote you for anything. You must have a say. You must have what? That is why Giraffe namhlanje sifunda nceku ngomphostoli Paul ukuthi wayibhala incwadi. Why? Because Apostle Paul, he refused to be silent. And now, angazi isizukulwane singaki sisuka kuMapostle Paul nangisabazalwane. Sizukulwane angazi silini. Kodwa his influence is still felt because he refused to be silent about Christ. Nangisabazalwane. Namanje nama uzofunda iBhayibheli ngiyafunda ngokaPaul, because these are people who refuse to be silent. Their stand was pronounced. Their stand was clear. Wangathi ngesontweni uzombona eyodlala ikeyboard. Umsombuluko awuqondi kahle ukuthi umsombuluko noSunday ngathi akuhlangana. Yabo? Your stand is not clear. We are playing with the opportunity to build a generational team. Yangizwa bazalwane? This is important because we must speak to you these things now. While we are still young, have the power to build. Apostle Paulo, Giraffe, Apostle Paulo, the way they refused to be silent. They were jailed. But though they were jailed, they never chose to be silent. They were found writing books to say, no. Lalelani webandla laseFilipi, uJesu inkosi. Lalelani webandla laseFilipi, uJesu yabusa. He wrote in prison. He wrote in chains because he was a person who refused to be silent. You can't say anything about God. You can't stand in anything. How phela ngeke phela. Ngingenamali sengizoloku ngiyokhonza ngahlala kanjani ngingayi enyangeni ngiyolanda inyoka. You can't ever stay in anything. So abawolanda inyoka ngoba ungenalo imali manje. These people, they were changed, but they refused to be silent about the gospel. In chains. We read his voice even though he was in chains. We read his voice even though he was in trouble. We read his voice because he said, no chains shall silence me. Whether you have been silent about financial crisis, uthandaza kanjani bengekho imali? Uthandaza abanemali. Uyesukela abanemali. Whoa! What a poor generation, a generation that has succumbed to chains, a generation that has been put silent because of sins, because of whatever change it may be. But Apostle Paul, he refused to be silent. He refused to be silent. He said, no. I want to be quoted in the next generation. If there's someone who says, I'm looking for Christ, you must know that no. This is how Christ looked like. This is how the gospel must be preached. This is how the character of the gospel must be portrayed. But when you are silent, no, it doesn't work like that. Ithi phephe kuna le inkathi lana khona ncebo abafundi bakaJesu bake babanja balethe bathiwa yini le lisho la le nazabazalwane lisho la le lisho baboshwe ithi phephe. The next day they were found in the temple prophesying the same thing. Don't let the devil silence you. Don't let the devil silence you. Don't let the devil silence you. As a king, have a voice in prison. As a king, have a voice in sicknesses. As a king, have a voice in financial crisis. As a king, have a voice. Please arise and shine. This I speak to those who have been ordained by the blood of Jesus, that they must arise, for their time has come. Our prophets, they no longer prophesy. But some no prophet. Come on. You must arise. Have a voice. The Lord, the Bible tells us that God has not given us the spirit of fear, but He has given the spirit